Hi, I launched my webcam. Alrighty. Nice. I don't care my name. I don't care, I don't really care, 'cause I'm not Ooh, too big. There we go. Just move. I'll be doing that once I add color. Because this time I'm actually adding freaking color. Not like other times I was just playing around. I hear you. There's no need to call out for me, cat. This this quarter only goes up for 13 minutes, which is really dumb. I don't like that. No. Or 15 minutes, actually. I think I'll do it. Okay, stop that. Sorry for my weird face-o. Nope. What? Okay, so last time it stopped recording. Sorry for that. My computer died. And you start bothering me! Hello, listen. Putting high pressure. Not too. Now I'm putting low pen pressure. There we go. Huh. People say I animate good, and when it's first time animating, like sometimes first time animating on computers, or like on different frames. But I used to draw all my life, and I guess that's where I earned my ability to draw good, on even the complex parts. This bullcrap. This bullcrap. Oh yeah. I started playing Kingdom Hearts now on my PS3. Oh. The game is really awesome itself, I admit. But, it's only Kingdom Hearts 1, so the graphics are not as good. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, no! Oh my gosh. How dumb are you? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not doing it. Not already. Ha! Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. And, yep. Getting someone. Alright. And there we go. Go to this frame. Holy frick. That is thick. Frick. Sorry, I'm leaning in real close and trying to get a good view on what I'm doing. Oh no! No. I show what I should do. I overlap this like I'm God. To make it actually look good. There we go. Now draw a completely downward ear for a little bit. Now, since that's done, start drawing the hair. Gonna do a hair. Oh my god. I am not really the patient person you think I am. I'm more the person who likes to whine about time and wants to do something freaking fun. And this is fun. I like it. It's peaceful. It's nice. It's hard to explain how animating feels, but oh, how much effort it takes though. onion off real quick. Well, this is the part where I've used light pen pressure and not get anything messed up. Ah! Oh my god, that lip. That's much better. Oh no. Now let's turn on this and see how much I failed drawing like my original freaking frame. Oh my god, I have completely failed on my life, career, at 10 years old. Okay, it's probably not gonna be my life career, but ooh, I hate how much I fail on this stuff. Let's see it, because it's probably really lame. Baby, this is what you came for. Frick you, I never want to. I'm scared that people see my work when I'm not working on it. Since I don't make accounts, I'm probably not posting my work though. But I'm so scared that it's doing it. This frame is looking very bad. I should be able to be doing my career. So, see the monstrosity I'm creating here. It looks awful. I can't believe I'm doing this. Because my life sucks. This is probably the only option I have for a career. At 10 years old. Because my family needs frickin' money. So give me your money, people. My time is probably running out for anime. Oh yep, I only have 14 and 41 seconds, so good pie. I'm probably not gonna finish this in time, but I'll do a part 2, okay? Ah, I, I really love this animating app. I'm trying to get everything through from what I'm gonna say